Hi Amaze welcome back to Amaze and I hope you're doing well. Today we'll do expanding double brackets, but this time you're using the grid method. This is an interesting method and it's very easy to learn, so make sure you have your notepad and you have your pen somewhere to write it and copy the example. Remember to pause the video and try the questions by yourself, and you can come back to the video and see whether you got it right. So let's start. So in the last video we looked at the FOIL method. You can go back to the video after you're done with this one and ignore any background noise. So here you start by drawing a grid, just a simple rectangle. Then you can divide it one and maybe over here. Okay, use a ruler. Okay, now after drawing that, you can put the values inside. So remember, bracket means times, so we are multiplying these two brackets. So we write x there, and then here on these two you can write x and 2. So x and positive 2. Then on this other side you can put x and positive 5. It doesn't matter the order. This one can be written here or this one can be written here. You'll still get the same answer. Now after that we multiply. So you take x times x. So x times x, a letter by the same letter will give you x squared. And then we do x times 2. X times 2 is 2x. Then we have x times 5. We have 5x. And finally we have 5 times 2, which is 10. So after putting all your values there, so now you can remove all this and put them on a line, on a straight line. So x squared, we have 5x, 2x, and 10. So like terms we have 5 and 2. So here we get x squared. 5 plus 2 is 7x, and then plus 10. Number 2, we have x plus 9 and x minus 7. So I'll make it a bit longer. Here I used 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use 5 going down. So we have that one. And you can use a ruler, yeah? Okay, so after drawing that, you put the values. So we have x plus 9. This round, let's put x plus 9 on this side. So it's times, and then we have x and positive 9. Here we have x and negative 7. The beauty of this method is that if you're not sure about the negative numbers, it makes it simpler for you to do it. Now let's go ahead and do x times x is x squared, and then x times negative 7 is negative 7x. So we're done with the first row. Now we go to the second one. X times 9 is 9x. Negative 7 times 9 is negative 63. So a negative number times a positive number will always give you a negative number. So we can go through that. Negative times positive would give you negative. Positive times a negative would give you negative, positive, and positive would give you positive, negative, and negative would give you positive. So in short, different signs will give you. So this is different sign, and then the same sign will give you a positive. Same sign. Okay. So after finishing now, you take all this, the ones in blue, you write them aside. So x squared minus 7x. You see I'm including the sign in front of the number, and then this is positive, so 9x minus 63. So x squared, you have a debt of 7 and then you pay 9, you're left with positive 2x minus 63. Number 3, we have 2x minus 3 and x plus 4. So 5 lines going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we do times, we do 2x and negative 3, and then x positive 4. So 2x times x is 2x squared, and then negative 3 times x is negative 3x. 2x times 4 is 8x. Please bear with the background noise. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. So after that, now we write the numbers on the side. So 2x minus 3x plus 8x minus 12. So we have, so the answer would be 2x squared. Negative 3 plus 8 would be positive 5x minus 12. Okay, number 4. Remember, even from the previous video, when you see a squared is the same as multiplying this one by itself. So 3x minus 4 and another 3x minus 4. So we go ahead and draw the rectangle, the grid. Do you like this method compared to the other one? Let me know which method you prefer. You can write it in the comment section. Do you prefer the foil method or the grid method? Let me know which one you like. So here we can write, so it's times, then you're doing 3x, negative 4, and another 3x, negative 4. So 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 times x. And then you put your x there. 3x times negative 4 would be negative 12x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Remember, negative times negative would give you a positive number, or in short, the same sign would give you the same, would give you a positive, I mean. So we go ahead and now we write out the numbers. So 9x squared minus 12x minus 12x plus 16. So this will be 9x squared minus, so remember when you have two negative numbers, you add them and you put the negative sign there. So negative 24x plus 16, and that's your answer. Alrighty, if you like the video so far, you can comment, subscribe, and leave a like. You can like, comment, and subscribe, I mean. Yeah, so just ignore the background noise, you know, it's just noisy, but I hope you can hear me. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. So here, times, this side you can put 2x negative 3 and then 7x negative 4. Then you go ahead and multiply 7 times 2 is 14x squared. Negative 4 times 2x will be negative 8x. And then 7x times negative 3 will be negative 21x. Negative 4 times negative 3 will be 12, because positive and negative gives us positive. Now you write out these numbers. 14x squared minus 8x minus 21x plus 12. So 14x squared, negative, two negative numbers, add them and put the negative sign. So 29x plus 12. Number 6, we have 6x minus 7 squared. So we know it's this one times itself, isn't it? So we draw the grid. Then we put our columns and rows. So what are we doing? We're doing times, and then we do 6x negative 7 and another 6x negative 7. So let's go ahead and multiply. 6 times 6 is 36x squared, and then negative 7 times 6 is negative 42x. Negative 7 times 6 will be negative, oh, it's another negative 42. And then we have negative 7 times negative 7 would be 49. So here we have 36 x squared minus 42 x minus 42 x plus 49. So 36 x squared, two negative numbers. I know you're a pro, you just add them and you put a negative, you put a negative sign. So negative 84 x plus 49. Okay, number 7, we're almost done. So let's put the rows, the row and the row, and then we can put our columns. So we have times, And then we have 9x negative 11, 9x positive 11. So 9 times 9 is 81, x times x is 8 is x squared. And then negative 11 times that will be 99x. Positive 9x and times 11 will be 99x. This is a positive. Negative 11 times positive 11 will be negative 121. So now 81x negative 99x plus 99x minus 121. We'll get 81x squared. So this will cancel with that because 99 minus 99 is just 0 minus 121. Okay, let's finish up with this one. So we draw, remember to use a ruler. Don't be like your teacher here doing freehand. Use a ruler. So, okay. So we have x, 8x positive 5, and then 8x negative 5. Okay, so now 8 times 8 is 64x squared, and then that will be 5 times 8 is 40x. 8 times negative 5 will be negative 40x and negative 25. So 64x squared plus 40x negative 40x negative 25. So 64x squared minus 25. So this one is also called, when you're multiplying such a number, you just square the first term. So 8x times 8x will give you 64x squared. And then you square this one. So you square the 5 and then you put a negative there. So basically, so if you look at this one, it will be 81x squared minus 121. If I gave you like a random question here, so let's do maybe 3x minus, it's like a loud number 5, and 3x positive 6. Even without doing all those, all the working out, I can tell you the answer would be, so 3x squared is 9x squared, and then 6 squared will be 36. And then you put your minus sign. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.